So this is a boat that came in that we had to pull the motor to put a starter on because the bolts were broken off. When we pulled the boot, there was oily, yucky stuff inside of his bellows, and so we assumed that it probably came from his upper seals bad on that unit. But before we took it apart, we drained it, pressure tested it. The unit is not leaking, so it's not that. Oh, his boat's gone. But anyway, my guess is that it is going to be the water inside the boat that went through his gimbal bearing, because his gimbal bearing is rusty. So I'd say his boat filled up with water. Water went through the gimbal bearing into his U-joint bellows. That's why there's water and cookie stuff in there, and we're going to change the impeller, and we're going to go ahead and put fresh fluids in it and put it all back together.